My name is Sakshi Kishore Kavde. My dish name is lacto fermented cauliflower, which is rich with probiotics and it is popular in Europe and Asia. It helps against the cancer and improves the blood pressure and kidney functions. The ingredients which are used here: cauliflower, black pepper, garlic, salt, and ginger, and water. The method of preparation is are as follows. First, clean and rinse the cauliflower. Then crush some black peppercorn and put it in the jar. Then add salt followed by filtered water and mix and let the salt dissolve. Then smash and peel the garlic and slice of ginger and set it aside. Then prepare the cauliflower and cut it into the small pieces. Then add everything into the jar and repeat this process. Then top with the more crushed black pepper. Then add enough filtered water to submerge everything. Then cover with the cauliflower leaves and cover the jar with the tight lid. Then let it ferment at the room temperature for 3 to 5 days. After that, store it in the fridge. Then nutritional values are as follows in this recipe, which are: calories are 144 kcal. Then total fat is 1 gram. Then cholesterol is 0 mg. Carbohydrates are 30 grams. Then potassium is 0 mg. Sugar is 14 gram. Then protein is 11 gram. And iron is 14% and calcium is 13% and with vitamin C is 445%. The lacto acid bacteria is involved in the fermentation of lacto fermented cauliflower.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kalari Nandakishore Mandurwar. My dish name is Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is one of the best known national dish in Germany. It is highly nutritious because it undergoes fermentation by various lactic acid bacteria. It has long shelf lifetime and a distinctive sour flavor, both of which result from the lactic acid formed when the bacteria ferment the sugar in cabbage leaves. It is used as a side dish. It has more health beneficial like improved digestion. It contains probiotics which are beneficial bacteria that act the first line of defense against toxin and harmful bacteria. Highly rich in sodium, dietary fibers, vitamin C, vitamin B6, protein, iron. Ingredients involved in sauerkraut are cabbage and salt. The preparation of sauerkraut is: firstly shred the cabbage, put the cabbage shred in bowl. Mix it well to release the cabbage juice. Let it rest for 10 minutes and then mix again. Pack the shred into glass jar and compact the shred by pushing with wooden spoon or our hands. Cover the whole container. Let it ferment for 9 to 10 days under 65 to 75 Fahrenheit temperature. Microorganisms involved in fermentation are Leuconostoc mesenteroids, Lactobacillus brevis and Lactobacillus plantarum. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Nikita Ajay Vamkantiwar and my dish name is kimchi. Kimchi, the national food of South Korea, is a fermented spicy pickled vegetable dish. Kimchi is traditionally made by combining cabbage and spices. It is fermented by various lactic acid bacteria. It is full of healthy bacteria, good for the gut and good for immunity. It tastes sour, tangy, salty and crunchy. It can serve as a side dish or as a salad. Ingredients involved in this dish are cabbage, radish, carrots, scallions, ginger, garlic, sugar, salt, rice flour, chili powder, distilled water and sesame seed. Now I am going to tell how to make kimchi. Chop cabbage, place in a glass or steel bowl and add 1/4 cup salt and mix well. Leave it for 3 to 4 hours. After 3 to 4 hours, wash the cabbage with distilled water to remove excess salt, drain and rinse, pressing the liquid out. Now make the kimchi paste. Take a pan, add rice flour and water. Stir it well till it becomes thick. Now add sugar and mix well for 1 to 2 minutes. Take this in a bowl, wait till it cool. Then add salt, ginger, garlic, chili powder and mix it well. Now the kimchi paste is ready. Peel and cut radish, carrot into matchsticks about 2 to 3 inches long. Cut the scallions into 1 to 2 inches pieces. Place the drained cabbage along with carrot, radish, scallions and kimchi paste into a bowl and massage a bit. Pack this tightly into a airtight glass jar for 5 to 6 days at 55 to 65 degrees Celsius. Now this is ready to serve. Microorganisms involved in this fermentation are lactic acid bacteria, Leuconostoc mesenteroids, Vasilia carberia, Lactobacillus. It contains many nutritional value as it is rich in vitamin A and C, then vitamin K. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Barbula Zade. Shrikhanda is a traditional sweet of the Indian subcontinent made from strained yogurt. Shrikhanda is a semi-solid sweetish sauce, wholesome and indigenous fermented milk product, popular in Maharashtra and Karnataka. It is highly rich in carbohydrate, sugar and protein. The ingredients involved in are Shrikhanda, yogurt, sugar, cardamom. I will tell you method of preparation. Traditionally, Shrikhanda is prepared by boiling cow or buffalo or mixed milk and cooled to room temperature 30 degrees Celsius. Heated and cool milk is added with previous day dahi at the rate of 0.5 to 1% milk is left undisturbed overnight at room temperature to set firmly. Lactobacillus, Streptococcus and Leuconostoc involved in fermentation of Shrikhanda. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Ashwini Farkade and my dish name is Idli. Idli is the South Indian dish and it is made from rice and urad dal with little amount of salt mixed together and ferment all night. Ingredients used in this dish are urad dal, rice, salt and oil. And method to make idli is, first of all, rice and urad dal soaked separately. After draining the water, rice and urad dal were grind separately with occasional addition of water during grinding process. The rice and urad dal mixed together with addition of little salt. The amount of rice and urad dal should be 2 cup rice and 1 cup urad dal in ratio 2:1. Keep it to all one night to ferment this batter. After fermented batter, graze the idli stand with oil and take a ladeful of batter. Fill the idli mold. Add half cup of water in the idli steamer. Let it boil. Put the idli stand inside and close the lid. Let the steam build for 8 to 10 minutes before switching off the gas. Remove the idli and serve it with sambar and dahi chutney. Microorganism involved in this batter is lactic acid bacterium, Lactobacillus brevis and Lactobacillus fermentum. Nutritional value of idli is 2 to 3 gram of protein, 15 to 39 calories, 2 to 5 gram of dietary fiber and 6 gram of carbohydrate, 1 to 5 milligram of iron and trace amount of calcium, folate, potassium and vitamin A depending. Thank you so much.
My name is Vaishnav Sudhakar Bangde. I made rice kanji. Rice kanji is a naturally probiotic made from homemade curd and cooked rice. The cooked rice is fermented for 10 to 12 hours and then we make rice kanji. The ingredient used in rice kanji is homemade curd, cooked rice, cumin seed, ginger, mustard seed, curry leaves, coriander leaves and green chilies. The method of preparation of rice kanji is first of all we soak 1 cup of cooked rice in 1 cup water and ferment up to 10 to 12 hours. Then next day this fermented rice is transfer into a mixing bowl and mix very well. And then we add curd, and then we temper, add in a pan, add 1 tablespoon oil, add mustard seed, cumin seed, onion, curry leaves, and green chilies, and fry it very well. And then this temper add into kanji, and you can serve this kanji with some coriander leaves. The fermentation bacteria involved in this recipe is Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus lactis. The nutritional value of this rice kanji is it is rich in carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, vitamin B6, zinc, iron.
Good morning. My name is Preeti Shivankar. My dish name is Medu Vada. Medu Vada is a South Indian dish and made from urad dal. Their ingredients are used in Medu Vada are urad dal, cumin seed, oil, salt. Method to prepare this dish: soak urad dal for 2 to 3 hours and blend it into a coarse paste and rest for overnight. Take a frying pan, add oil, let it heat. Take a ball and add cumin seed, salt as per taste. Mix all these ingredients well. Make a donut and deep fry in the oil. It turns the golden color. Microorganisms involved in fermentation are Lectonostoc mesenteroid, Streptococcus thermophilus. It is rich in protein, carbohydrate, vitamin A. Thank you.
Ganpati Ganeshkar. My dish name Anarsa. Anarsa is fried sweets, chapati-like product prepared from rice, flour, sugar, and ghee indigenous to Nepal. Ingredients: rice 2 cups, poppy seeds, grated jaggery 3 cups, 1 cup milk, butter to fry in the liquid. Anarsa are made from soaked powder rice, jaggery or sugars. To prepare anarsa, rice is water for 3 days with the water changed daily to mitigate fermentations. The rice drained. Microorganisms involved in fermentations: predominant bacteria from rice and white rice samples tentatively belong to the genus Bacillus, Pectobacteria, Pentos, and Microbacteria. Nutritional values: there are calories 304.0 and total fat 22.7 grams, saturated fat 14.3 grams, and sodium 20.3 milligrams, and vitamins involving vitamin A and C.
My name is Pallavi Himraj Bhole. My dish name is Dahi Tikki. Dahi Tikki is generally an India dish. It is usually made in round shape. It is generally eaten as breakfast. Ingredients are used in this dish: curd, semolina, flour, green chili, curry leaves, turmeric powder, salt, potato. How to make this dish? Add curd in cloth and kept at 6 to 7 hours on hanging position. Then take out the hung curd into bowl. Mix to make it creamy. Add suji, boiled potato, chopped curry leaves, chopped green chili, turmeric powder, flour, and salt. Then mixture everything together. Add water and thinner the consistency of this mixture. Lastly, added baking powder and mix well. To fry this dahi tikki, and some cooking oil in hot pan. When oil heat up, add mixture to hot oil with your hand and fry them. They two sides cook and they are ready to serve with tomato ketchup. Microorganisms involved in this dish: Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus bulgaricus. It is rich nutritional value of protein, sugar, carbohydrates, sodium, potassium, cholesterol.
My name is Shrutika Maruti Thengne and my dish name is curd sandwich. Curd sandwich or yogurt sandwich is a delicious and healthy vegetable sandwich recipe made with hung curd, lots of fresh vegetable and black pepper, etc. My dish ingredients is bread sandwich, cabbage, onion, butter, carrot, capsicum. My dish preparation is 2 To make a perfect curd sandwich, first take a bowl and 1 cup curd. Now add a 2 teaspoon of chopped cabbage and carrot and capsicum and onion. Now add it salt as per taste. Now mix everything well. Now take plus bread slice and prepare a stuffing on it and spread well. Now place the second bread slice on the first bread slice and prepare a sandwich. Now prepare the second sandwich with the other 2 bread slice. Now place a pan on a flame. Add a butter and heat well. Now place the prepared sandwich into the pan and roast well. After the some time, flip the sandwich and roast well on the both sides. Now transfer the sandwich to a plate and roast the next sandwich. Microorganism. Curd sandwich many contain a wide varieties of bacteria like Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactococcus lactis, Lactobacillus vulgaris, and curd sandwich nutritional values: calories 235, carbohydrate 30 gram, protein 8 gram, fat 9 gram, and saturated fat 1 gram, sodium 315 gram, potassium 192 gram, fiber 3 gram, and sugar 5 gram. Vitamin A and vitamin C, calcium, iron also present in this curd sandwich.
Hi, my name is Sneha Sanjay Govindwar and I made the food that's name is curd balls. Curd balls is an Indian dish which is usually made in round or rod shape. This is sweet in taste. The ingredients used in this food are egg, refined wheat flour, baking powder, hung curd, oil, salt, etc. The preparation of this food is take the egg in a bowl and add the hung curd in it and mix well it properly, and then add the sugar powder, cardamom seeds, and add the refined wheat flour in it. Then mix well properly and take a piping bag and add the mixture in piping bag. Then take a pan and add the oil and pour the balls into the oil and fried on medium flame. Then fried the balls until brown color. The microorganism involved in this food is Lactobacillus acidophilus. The nutritional value of this food is calories, proteins. It contains vitamins A, B, C, and K. It is very good food for our health. Thank you so much.
My name is Poonam Sudhakar Pulgamkar. My dish name is dosa. Dosa is a thin pancake. It is the most popular dish in South India. Now it is widely famous dish all over India. Its main ingredients are rice and black gram. Rice and black gram are ground together in a fine smooth batter with a dash of salt and then fermented. Fermentation process increase the vitamin B and vitamin C content. Dosa are served hot along with chutney by tradition and sambar in recent times. Nowadays, dosa has many varieties such as egg dosa, masala dosa, paneer dosa, pepper dosa, and so on. Dosa is high in carbohydrates and contain no added sugar or saturated fat. It is also a good source of protein. Ingredients for dosa batter: 1 cup rice, half cup urad dal. Method of dosa: black gram dal and rice wash and soak for 5 to 6 hours. Grind finally into smooth. Combine both mix well and little salt mix well. Leave for fermentation overnight. Preheat and apply little oil on pan. Then pour batter and spread roast until it becomes brown and ready for dosa. Nutrition of dosa: fats 33, calories 168, total fats 3.7 gram, saturated fats 0.5 gram, cholesterol 0 gram, sodium 94 grams, potassium 76 gram, total carbohydrates 29 grams. Here is the microorganism of dosa: Streptococcus facilis, Lactobacillus fermentum.
My name is Tejaswini Puram Shettiwar. My dish name is Misti Doi.
slightly thick, sweetening it with sugar, either bura or khajur, and allowing the milk to ferment overnight. Earthenware is always used as the container for making mitha dahi. Due to the gradual evaporation of water through its walls, not only further thicks the yogurt but also produce the right temperature for the of the culture. Ingredients: milk, curd, jam preparation. The method of making mishti doi is different than making a simple curd or dahi. The milk is thick and reduced first, and then palm jaggery is added. When the milk becomes warm, curd is added. This mixture is then allowed to set for some hours. Microorganism. Mixed cultures of Streptococcus, Thermophilus and Lactobacillus subtilis are generally used since it gives superior quality of product and perform more reliable under variable conditions. Nutritional value. One serving of mishti doi gives 362 calories, out of which carbohydrates comprise 144 calories, protein account comprise for 31 calories, and remaining calories come from fat, which is 181 calories.
My name is Sachin Mureshwar Bhasakar. My dish name curd dressing. Curd is source of health which provide good bacteria. The combine of curd and dressing, it can help reducing in the intestine and is healthy. Process: first is cow of milk, then second is pasteurization. Pasteurization is a 85% degree for 15 minutes. Then heating 100 degrees Celsius. Then coagulation of milk, adding citric acid 1%. Cooling. Cooling is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Then adding dressing. Then percolation. Then curd is set. Nutrient value: protein, carbohydrate and vitamins are thiamine, choline, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B6, and minerals are copper, magnesium, sulfur. Okay. Then microorganism: Lactococcus lactic. Second is Lactococcus lactis cremoris.
My name is Vaishnavi Kole. My dish name is Moong Dal Chilla. Moong Dal Chilla is an Indian dish. Chilla is like a dosa, mostly found in northern part of India. There are many variations of it. It's very healthy, fried in very less oil. This is a such recipe you can have without any diet of gaining weight. Moong dal is a good source of protein and carbohydrates, which make it a perfect thing for starting our days. Their ingredients are involved: moong dal, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, capsicums, asafoetida, onions, coriander leaves. Microorganisms involved in fermentation, lactic acid. This is a natural. Nutritional value per serving: fats 54 gram, proteins 35 gram, calories 809 grams, carbohydrates 46 gram. Methods of preparation: clean, wash and soak
moong dal for 3 to 4 hours. Drain the water and place the soaked dal in the grinder and grind it to make a fine paste. Take out the ground dal in a bowl, cover it and keep it inside for 3 to 4 hours or overnight for fermentation. Chop a vegetable finely. Add the vegetables and 1 teaspoon oil on the chilla. Cook cover on the low flame for 3 to 4 minutes or till the other side is light golden in the color. Flip it with the help of spatula and cook from the vegetable sides for another 3 to 4 minutes. Delicious chilla is ready to serve. Serve hot with the coconut chutney.
My name is Megha Rajkundar. My dish name is tomato pickle. Tomato pickle made with ripe seasonal tomatoes, pieces and oil. An Indian made is incomplete without a pickle on the side. These tomatoes pickle a flavorsome, spicy, hot and simply delicious. It goes so well with just anything: roti, paratha, plain rice and ghee. In India, every region has their own unique way to making pickle. Ingredients involved: tomato, olive oil, salt, spicy, red chili powder, turmeric. Organism: Lactobacillus plantarum. Nutritional value: protein 0.5 gram, carbohydrate 2.1 gram, fiber 0.6 gram, fat 2.2 gram. Preparation: wash tomato under running water and keep them dry. Roast fenugreek seed on a low flame, stirring often. They will turn deep golden and aromatic. Do not burn, as burnt fenugreek seed will taste it even more bitter. Transfer to a plate and cook them. Add the roasted seed to a grinder. If you want, you can also powder both the seed together, but I prefer to do that sparingly as it is easy to adjust the quantity. Grinder to a very fine powder. We don't want any kids here. Keep this aside in a plate. Heat a pan with oil. Add tomatoes. Sides for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium-high heat. Cook until mostly. If you may cover and cook on a low heat. The tomatoes must be fully soft and mushy. Meanwhile, check the termite past sequence. The termite so much of the fiber spread and all of the pulse come to the water. You should get a thin termite paste.